The next skill I want to discuss after learning how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number is to do the inverse of that. To take a mixed number and convert it into an improper fraction. So a mixed number, again, is where we have an integer, a whole number, and a fraction in one number, so a mixed number. And we want to make it into an improper fraction, which is a fraction that is bigger on the top than on the bottom. This will help us with our operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, especially with the multiplication and division when we are dealing with mixed numbers. So it's an important fact to get to know how to do. So first off, I have this mixed number, 7 3/5. Okay. This is what it looks like from what information we have as a division problem. A little bit complicated here, but I want to show you. 3 divided by 5. 7 and 3 still divided by 5. 5 is still doing the divising. Okay? So from our improper fraction to mixed number, we're seeing that 5 is still doing the dividing. There. Our whole number, our quotient there, is 7 wholes. Okay? 5 goes into something 7 whole times. 7 wholes. And our remainder is 3. So that's where we're seeing these numbers coming into play. So how do we get this number? If we don't want to write it like this, I'm going to show you how to do it. We won't need to do division as much. We'll just do the inverse of division, which is multiplication. So we take this 5 and we times it. So we take the denominator, times it by the whole number. Okay, that's basically what we're doing right there. And we get 35 in this instance. And then we simply add the numerator. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3 equals 38. And we write it right there. Now, because we're going for an improper fraction, we need to remember this. The bottom part, the denominator, the divisor, the one that is doing the dividing, is still doing the dividing. Please don't forget that. The denominators stay the same. Another instance, let's just do 6 and, 5/8. Okay, 6 and 5/8. What we do is we multiply 8 times 6, and we get 48. And then we add the 5, we get 53. And what are we dividing by? We're still dividing by the same thing. There are 53 of these 8s in 6 wholes. Okay? 6 wholes divided into 8, that's 48 parts. And then 5 are left over, so we have 53 8s. Remember, multiply and add to get that. And that's a basic showing of how to go from a mixed number converted to an improper fraction.